Have you ever wondered why focusing today feels almost impossible? You sit down to study, and before even opening the book, your hand automatically reaches for your phone. You tell yourself, just one quick scroll, but that one scroll becomes 20 minutes. And by the time you finally look up, your brain already feels tired. But why does this happen? The truth is, your brain isn't broken. It's overwhelmed. We live in a world where everything is designed to steal your attention. Every notification, every reel, every flashy thumbnail is carefully created to give your brain a fast hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Your brain loves dopamine. It chases it. And when it keeps getting these quick rewards, it starts expecting more and more of them. So when you finally try to focus on slow activities like studying, reading, or working, your brain rejects it, not because you're lazy, but because your brain has become wired for speed, not depth. Think about it. Scrolling is effortless. Every second, something new appears. Your brain gets a little reward, then another, then another. But studying, it requires patience, effort, and delayed rewards. And emotionally, your brain doesn't find it exciting at all. This mismatch is what makes focus so difficult today. Another big reason is mental fatigue. Your brain is constantly switching tasks, messages, tabs, apps, calls. Each switch drains mental energy, even if you don't notice it. After a whole day of micro distractions, your mind feels exhausted before you even begin your actual task. And that tiredness shows up as procrastination, irritation, or lack of motivation. But here's the hopeful part. You can train your brain to focus again. The first step is reducing dopamine overload. Keep your phone away while working. Even seeing the phone on your desk can drop your focus by 20 to 30% because your brain keeps expecting a notification. Turn off unnecessary alerts. 90% of notifications don't need your attention. Create a dedicated, clean study space. Your environment directly affects your brain's ability to concentrate. When your surroundings are cluttered, your thoughts become cluttered too. The next step is practicing monotasking, doing one thing at a time. Your brain is not designed to multitask. Every time you switch tasks, you lose efficiency. So break your work into small, manageable chunks. Study for 25 minutes. Rest for 5. This simple cycle increases focus naturally because your brain works best in short sprints, not long marathons. And the most important factor, give your brain real rest. Not scrolling rest, not screen rest, but actual rest. Go for a walk without headphones. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Take short breaks. Sleep on time. When your brain finally gets a break from constant stimulation, it resets. Your dopamine levels stabilize, your thoughts slow down, and your ability to focus increases dramatically. So the next time you can't concentrate, remember, it's not a personal failure. It's your brain asking for balance. And when you give it the right environment, the right rest, and the right habits, your focus will return stronger than ever, because your mind wasn't designed to be distracted. It was designed to think deeply. You just need to give it the space to do that again.